Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use the analysis styles tool. So the analysis styles tool is really just a little text tool that has a label on it, just like the questions tool that you saw previously, where you have a label that says question and you know that what you should expect above is to have a question. Here in the analysis styles tool, you can actually create and generate any of those labels by, there are, and in a minute, I'm going to show you how to actually start it. But here's a label that says goal. And above it, it's asking you to replace this text with the career goal that you are looking into. And then there are steps, and the steps are replace this text with one step you need to take to achieve your career goal. And let me just show you how you create the analysis styles. So the analysis styles will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the tool number 7, or the third one from the bottom. When you click on it, then what you have here is the default 3 types of analysis styles, which are problem, solution, and evidence. And then you have one above that says nothing. It says add new. And when you select that, you can actually create a new type of tile. I have created new types. I've created goal and I created step. And so this is where you actually type that, the text here, and then press create, and that creates for you a new tile. As I said before, you can add any type of analysis style here, wherever you wish. So let's just look at this one, and let's see how I can change this now and fill in the information. So let's say that I'm going to go to the edit here, and I'm going to type in, I'm going to highlight the text that is here, and I'm going to say, I want to be a doctor, medical doctor. And then I'm going to press save, and this is going to become a medical doctor. And then, so here it is. So this is now changed to medical doctor. And now what is it that I need to do in order to accomplish this? And so I'm going to now right click on this, edit, and go in there and replace this and say, well, I need to study in a university or in medical school. So that's one step. But maybe there are previous steps. Maybe in high school you need to put an emphasis on math and science, or maybe learn or emphasize math and science because that's important for medical school. So that would be one step. That's in high school. And so you keep doing that. Now let's say that you need more of these. When you need more of these, you do exactly what you did before. You click on the 3 dots and you say create copy, and that creates for you as many steps as you need. Once you have all these steps, then you can go to the relationship tool and you can click on relationship, and you can click again on the line and the arrow and the color. And now you can say, okay, in order to do this, so all these steps will be connected to this goal and they will be part of it. And so on. So that's what you need to do. This is how you will, fill this page with your career goal and with the steps that you think you need to take in order to achieve your final goal. Thank you. I hope that you understood how to use the analysis styles tool, and I will see you in the next video.